Hello, this is Travis Usinger from the University of Colorado. Welcome to the 2-week mindfulness meditation course for anxiety. Every day you will receive an email with a 10-minute guided mindfulness meditation. In mindfulness meditation, we have a specific focus for our attention. In mindfulness, we're keeping our attention on a present moment sensation and returning our attention to that focus as we naturally become distracted. And during this course, the focus of our attention will be on the sensation of the breath and a separate guided meditation for sensations of the body. We're training the mind to stop reacting to thoughts, to allow ourselves to feel sensations and notice thoughts without having to do anything about them. Some misconceptions about meditation are that we're trying to clear out the mind or remove thoughts when we're meditating. This is not true. In mindfulness meditation, we're simply being aware of when we become distracted by thoughts and choosing to gently return our focus to the intended point, the breath or sensations in the body. So for this meditation, make sure that you have 10 minutes of uninterrupted time to focus solely on this meditation exercise. You can pause this recording if you need to make any adjustments. If you have headphones or earbuds that connect to the device that you're listening to this from, that would be the best way to listen to this meditation. So as you're ready, find a sitting position where you're comfortable, yet will stay alert and awake over the next 10 minutes. You can sit in a chair with both feet flat on the ground and your knees uncrossed, or in a seated position on the floor if that's comfortable for you. As you sit, we'll begin the meditation practice by noticing what the contact with the floor feels like. What area of your body is touching the chair or the floor? Feeling your legs, your feet, your hip bones. Noticing the pressure, gravity pulling you towards the floor. Now broaden your attention to the entire body. Getting a general sense of what it's like to be in your body right now. Now my voice will guide you to the feelings of the breath. And the sensation of the breath may feel strong or subtle to you. There's no need to try and make your breath deeper or any different. Just bring your attention to your natural breath with curiosity and acceptance. You can notice the speed of the breath without changing, just noticing the inhale and the exhale. Following the breath in, noticing how the belly or the chest rises on the inhale and falls on the exhale. sensations of expansion and contraction. And it's normal for your mind to wander while practicing this meditation. But if this happens, just return your attention to the breath with ease and compassion. You may have to repeat this multiple times, returning back to the breath. And despite your mind wandering, becoming distracted, if you return to the point of focus, you're practicing mindfulness meditation. Now feel the entire process of the breath. The inhale, slight pause. Exhale, pause, and repeat. And your body may become restless, but try to keep still as much as possible. You can adjust your body if you really need to, but return back to stillness with a focus on the breath when you're comfortable. You can notice the warmth or the coolness of the breath. Your mind may tell you that you need to do something else or think about something else. Instead, just return your attention back to the breath. And you can notice when there's stillness, when there's movement in the breath. Noticing where areas of your body, in your chest, your belly, may feel open or may feel tight. Noticing this without trying to change or fix anything. Just being curious to the sensations. Take 30 more seconds to follow the breath in silence. Take a few more breaths, blinking the eyes, returning to an active mindset. So this completes the meditation practice for today. Thank you for listening. We'll continue our meditation practice tomorrow.